check out what we're getting out of the pantry today. We're working with some pistachios, and let's see what else are we going to put in it. Pumpkin bread.
Pillsbury pumpkin pistachio bread?
This is going to be different. Let's see what comes out of this. Pumpkin bread and pistachios?
Right.
Can we pull this off?
We can do it.
Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, we got them in a bag, and we're going to beat them up. What are you going to do?
I'm going to beat up my nuts.
I love this. It's like Thor's hammer. Here we go. Bam!
We're going to make these like
Kitchen Thor.
smaller.
No killer kill.
Are they leaking yet? They're going to be leaking soon with Thor's hammer there.
Yeah, right. Cha-cha. Oh my. This is going to be good. Would you ever put pumpkin and pistachio together? Tell us what you think.
Here we go. We're doing it.
We're going to do it.
How small do you want your pistachio? We could have put it in the like a tea or like the coffee grinder. But it would turn into powder.
We want to have a little bit of a chunk, but I mean, how? Well, because like that's too big. Still. Oh yeah, it's coming together.
All right. Look at it. We're making like oil, pistachio oil in the back.
Oh wow, that's
All right,
trippy.
that looks pretty small, right? Looks good?
Yeah, I think that's good.
All right, that's not gonna be a lot, but it'll be different.
Yeah. All right.
All right, so that's part of our stuff.
Yeah. Let's get this other stuff together. We'll be right back. All right, we're greasing the pan.
I'm buttering it. I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I mean? It's greasing the pan.
I'm buttering my. It's not even a pan. It's glass.
It's a glass pan. It's a loaf pan.
All right, so this is gonna be our first
Our first.
one that's not cupcakes. It's gonna be shaped like a loaf of bread.
Yeah.
Cray cray.
All right, we'll be right back.
All right, 3 tablespoons of oil.
tablespoons of oil.
All right. What else we got? Eggs.
Yep. 2 of them.
Crack. Whoa! Look at that. No shells. I am awesome.
You are the best.
Okay, no shells.
It's in a bag.
All right, what else we need? Got 2 eggs. We got a cup of water.
Yep.
Wow, man, check it out. All right.
It's all like blending.
Some of this in there. I ain't never made no pumpkin muffins or pumpkin cake or pumpkin anything.
Loaf. You're a pumpkin loaf.
Oh, it smells all pumpkin-y.
Does it?
We should put some cinnamon in there or something.
You want to? Let's do like a tablespoon of cinnamon.
Why not? Probably have to dig deep, but I'm sure we have
No,
some.
I'll find it.
All right, we'll be right back. Some ground cinnamon, shall we?
Ground cinnamon.
Right.
Let's see.
How much should I do?
That looks like a tablespoon.
Not even close to a tablespoon.
Woo! That's definitely a tablespoon.
All right, that's gonna be yummy.
Oh my goodness. Oh, if you could smell this, it's like pumpkin pie.
So we're
Should
making
we
like
do
a
any
pumpkin bread.
nutmeg?
All right, so
No,
we need
that
like
I
a
have
spoon.
buried.
What would you say, man? How we do it?
or allspice? I love you, pumpkin.
Combine strokes until 50 to 75 strokes.
Are you supposed to do whisking?
Dang. Wait, we gotta put our nuts in there. We can't
wait
put
a
our
minute.
nuts.
Should we come back?
Here we go. Plus pistachios.
Plus
We made these,
pistachio.
guys. Look at
Would
this.
you do this pumpkin pistachio? How does it feel?
Pumpkin pistachio bread.
Pumpkin.
All right, I think I'm gonna stir that up with a
pistachio.
spoon. Why not? I'm gonna get my big spoon out.
The biggins.
I'm gonna get my big spoon out.
I saved it for you. Where is it?
Yeah, that's a big one.
That's the one. I saved it for you. I usually avoid that. I always try to save it for last. Because, yeah, there's the one with the holes, but you like that one.
50 to what? What's 50 to 75 strokes?
You better start counting.
I already lost track.
Should we show this?
Let's show this getting what it's doing. Man, we might have to add some peanut butter chips in here or something.
Do you want to?
I don't know, man. Peanut butter pumpkin pistachio? Peanut butter pumpkin pistachio.
That really sounds good.
Man.
Are we nuts?
Peanut butter, pumpkin, pistachio.
We're not anything else that's a P, so are we nuts?
Yeah, we're doing
We're
3
psycho.
P's. A 3P meal.
We'll be right back. I gotta find that peanut butter chips. All right, let's get some of them going.
I think that's a lot.
Right. Oh my goodness.
I think that's a lot.
Mm.
No!
Whoa! I call dibs on the bag fries.
They're the right color.
In this case, nah.
Yeah. Mm.
These are addictive. Have you ever eaten a peanut butter Reese's chip?
Yeah, of course we have. You've been around forever.
They're really good.
My mom used to make peanut butter Rice Krispie treats.
Those are so
And
good.
then chocolate. And butterscotch also.
Butterscotch was my favorite growing
You
up.
know, that's just silly marshmallow all
Hey, let's
that.
show your space cat. So spaced out, Mr. Chong.
Was that
Right.
my trunk shirt?
No, but you're Mr. Chong.
Oh.
All right. Oh my God, if you guys could smell this. Oh. So we'll have to get back at you when it's done.
And make sure the eggs are all in there. So 50 to 75. I don't think I'm there yet.
No, it's gonna be a little while.
Yeah, it's fun though. ASMR. Man, that's gonna be good.
Peanut butter, pistachio, pumpkin bread.
Yeah, Betty.
Just do it in alphabetical order and you can remember.
I hope that's gonna fit. What roll?
I think it will.
Okay.
You're the one that likes to make it really full.
You can have a muffin top.
It'll be good. Yeah, I'll be right back. All right.
I probably need your help. 'Cause
Oh.
I suck at this.
What do you need me to do? You want to hold the camera?
Yeah, put the camera down.
Okay.
We'll be back.
All right. This looks really yummy, you guys. It's going to be different.
Pumpkin after the October? I don't get it.
Or before.
Oh,
However
really,
you want to
really
look at it.
Alright, I'm not going to try to lick every bit out of there, you guys.
We should. But not on camera.
No, it's not the raw eggs.
Yep.
All right.
So, yeah, yeah, we can. All right, so it's almost preheated here.
Yoo-hoo!
So we'll get back at you here in a few.
We're going to cook this up. It's going to be like a loaf of pumpkin bread.
Yeah.
All right.
See you soon. All right, here we go.
Ta-da!
Here's how it looks. Yummy.
Our first non-cupcake.
Yep.
Ding,
Hot.
ding. Ding, ding, ding.
Mm-hmm.
I want to eat you.
I'm gonna get you.
All right, thanks for watching our video.
Yeah.
This is how we made pumpkin, peanut butter, pistachio,
Bread.
cinnamon bread.
I forgot about the cinnamon. Yep.
All right, you guys. Hope you guys are having a good day. And don't forget to wash your hands.
See ya.
See you later.